You kneel to silent idols, not carved in wood or stone, but built in screens and rhythms that claim your mind as throne. You face the crafted poison, songs stitched with subtle shades, believing you are thinking while darkness grips your face. They teach you how to hunger, they teach you what to crave, they teach you to be shackled and call it being brave. You dress your sin in humor, you wear corruption proud, you cheer the serpent circus and merge into the crowd. But I did not breathe my image to watch you dance and smoke, to see your holy purpose become a hollow joke. Tear down their painted stages, refuse their scripted lies, for culture is a weapon